I learned a genius trick from a friend in Italy that everyone should know. To start, we're going to cut 7 ounces of cooked pasta. You want all the pasta in smaller pieces like this. Trust me, the result is amazing. Next, in a skillet, I'm adding 7 ounces of bacon and cooking it over medium heat. I cut mine into small pieces, but you can use slices if you prefer. In a bowl, I'm adding 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mixing it well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Olivia Martinez from Miami, Florida. I'm really happy you're enjoying the recipes. Thank you so much. Now, let's add the egg mixture to the pasta. Then shredded mozzarella, about 7 ounces, and the bacon we cooked. Mix everything well so it all comes together. I love recipes like this, simple but with a special twist. Just keep mixing until everything is evenly coated and well combined. Is there any ingredient you would add here? Let me know. I'd love to hear. In a skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil and spread it across the bottom. Now carefully pour the mixture into the skillet. It's looking exactly how I wanted. Spread it out so it cooks evenly. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Then flip it onto a plate and place it back in the skillet to brown the other side. At this point, I can already imagine how good this is going to be. Now I'm adding more mozzarella on top to taste. That looks perfect. Finish with some parsley to taste. Cover again and cook for another 5 minutes. And it's ready, simple and quick. I learned this recipe from an Italian friend during a trip a few years ago. He invited me over for dinner and made this like it was the easiest thing in the world, and I just stood there watching. I asked about every detail because the smell filled the whole kitchen, and the final result honestly surprised me. Look at this. It's so good. Every time I make this at home, everyone asks how it's made and where I got the idea. Enjoy.